Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.2 first sum. Let's see the question. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN the nth term of the AP. So they have given A, D, N and nth term of the AP. Here we know formula for A, the formula for D, that is A2 minus A1, second term minus first term, but here there is no second term, there is only first term. The other formula we know is AN. So whatever formula we know, just substitute the value, substitute the values in that formula and we can find the remaining one. In the first sum they have given us 7, 3, 8 and dash. So we need to find AN for the first sum. We know AN formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So I am going to use this formula for all the sums here. Here A equal to 7, D equal to 3 and N equal to 8. Now we are going to use AN formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN we don't know, we need to find that. A is 7 plus N minus 1 is 8 minus 1 is, directly I am writing as 7 because 8 minus 1 is 7. Here D is 3. Just according to BODMAS rule we need to multiply first and then we need to add. So here 7 plus 21, 7 3s are 21. If we add we get 28. So AN is 28. Write the answer. Now we'll move on to the next one. In the next one it is given as A is equal to minus 18, D we don't know, N is 10 and AN equal to 0. Now, again I am going to write the formula of AN. I am going to substitute the values and find the balance one. AN equal to, we know that A plus N minus 1 into D. Here for the second sum they have given A equal to minus 18, D equal to, we don't know, N equal to 10 and AN equal to 0. Just substitute the value in it. AN we know it to be 0, so 0 is equal to, here instead of A we can write minus 18 plus N is 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into D we don't know. I am going to write the D as D itself. So I am just substituting the values wherever it is given. Now bring minus 18 to this side. It will come as plus 18. So 18 is equal to 9 into D. I want D, so I am bringing 9 to this side. So it comes as a divide because it is in multiply. If it's in multiply, it comes as a divide. So D equal to 2s are 18. So D equal to 2. So D value here is 2. We will find the third sum. Third sum it is given as A equal to question mark, D equal to minus 3, N equal to 18 and AN equal to minus 5. Here substitute the formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN we know that it is minus 5 is equal to A plus N minus 1 is 18 minus 1 is 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to A plus into minus minus 51. If I bring minus 51 to this side, it becomes plus 51 minus 5 is equal to A. Therefore, A will become 46. If we subtract 51 minus 5, we get 46 with the greater number sign of plus. So, A equal to 46 is the answer for the third sum. We'll move on to the fourth one. In the fourth one, it is given as A to be minus 18.9, D to be 2.5 and we don't know N. AN equal to 3.6. Substitute the formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute the values here. We know AN to be 3.6. Here equal to. So next A is 18.9 plus N we don't know. So N minus 1. D we know it is 2.5. I'll teach you how to do this sum very easy. Here bring the number to the side. If you bring plus or minus to the side, if it's minus, it comes as a plus. So 3.6 plus 18.9 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Here addition, so add it. Here 2.5 is in multiply. I am bringing to this. I am not going to multiply it inside. I am going to directly bring it inside as it is common. If I bring to this side, it becomes as divide. Then multiply 10 into 10 so that you can remove the decimal point. To remove the decimal point, just multiply. If I multiply, I get 225 by 25 equal to n minus 1. Here get cancelled and it becomes 9. Bring minus 1 to this side, so it comes as plus 1 equal to n. So n is equal to 10. So I got n to be 10. We'll move on to the fifth sum. In the fifth sum, they have given a to be 3.5, d to be 0, n to be 105 and an equal to question mark. So if I substitute it in the formula an, my an formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Just substitute the formula, substitute in the formula 3.5. Instead of a, it is 3.5 plus n is 105 minus 1 will be 104 into 0. So anything into 0 will be 0. So you can directly write 3.5. So an value here is the a value, that is 3.5. That's all with the sum. Thank you.